given that the impeachment trial has started, or rather yung proceeding started even at the start of the year pa lang, bakit po kaya nagper-persist yung lead ni Vice President Sara Duterte even despite these proceedings?
Um, Kasi yung parang nahagip nung survey, yung very first day, I think, lang. So, wala pang masyadong nare-reveal so far. So, yun din yung isang pwedeng explanation. Pangalawa, talagang ang Mindanao, no? Ang Mindanao region, hindi talaga binibitawan si si VP Sara. Nakita mo naman yun yung pinakamataas niyang points doon sa survey. At saka Visayas din, So that tells you that there is somehow yung tinatawag nating ethno-linguistic loyalty, no? Na nakukuha ni Sara Duterte among the Visayans and those that are from Mindanao. So yeah, I think it's a big factor. Tapos yung across classes din, malaki rin yung ano niya, no? Ibig sabihin parang yung sumusuporta sa kanya, may mayaman, may mahirap. So again, that tells you why in this round of a survey from Pulse Asia, why she's ahead. I've tried to understand, no, why, for instance, after Rodrigo Duterte, Marcos Jr. and VP Sara won, and then the top senator who won at that time was Robin Padilla, and then in 2025, the top senator was Bongo, di ba? Tama ba ako? So my sense is that this is a trend, no? After Duterte, that I would call strongman appeal. In a sense, the ways in which the public currently are assessing their politicians have somehow been affected by their appreciation of Rodrigo Duterte. Kasi hindi ba nag-unite yung dalawa during the 2022 elections? So I think that was a very powerful move, and expectedly nanalo sila. Pero ang nangyari, nag-break up sila, di ba? Yung kanilang pag-unite ng 2022 elections, kaya siya powerful kasi pareho silang may legacy ng strongman rule, no? Si Marcos Sr. and Duterte, Rodrigo Duterte. So they both borrowed it from their fathers. Kaya lang, nung naging presidente na sa BBM, people discovered na, ay teka, hindi naman pala siya, parang hindi naman siya yung katulad ng tatay niya. Di ba? And so tapos nag-break up pa sila, no? And so people who thought that BBM would be like his father would then be more supportive of Sara Duterte because perhaps in their mind, Sara Duterte has been consistent with what they expected, no? Of politician, given that their narrative, the discourse in which they appreciated Sara Duterte is still very much affected by how they look at Rodrigo Duterte, no?
So to recap lang, ma'am, bale, yung strongman appeal ni former President Rodrigo Duterte, that is also a factor as to why si Senator Bongo, who is his former person, who is his former
exactly.
raises him up. Would
So
you
it's
say
not
the
so
same
much.
po? Okay.
Yeah, it's not so much because it is Bongo. It is because of what Bongo represents.
could you say the same po about yung strongman appeal for Senator Robin Padilla? Since hindi naman
Exactly.
naman po siya related to I mean he is closely associated with the Duterte camp since PDP Laban. But hindi naman po siya belonging to a particular family or dynasty
Yeah.
related doon. Pero affected pa rin po siya ng strongman appeal ni former
Yes,
President.
because he's very vocal about his support of the Dutertes, and also his support of the Dutertes is very much aligned with his celebrity appeal, no? Action star, uh, uh, speaking like a regular guy, no? Yun. So yun yung appeal niya.